is expected, an oath by blood to hold the tone, and the starlight passes overhead, fuels all the skills I've honed. I am a guardian, a watcher of these ancient rites, yet I find myself drawn from that path on those dazzling moonlit nights. Let me hold you, keep you close to me. I long to hear your voice. But dearest, I know better now. I must give you this choice. I can give you everything you need. Or do you want to hear me plead? Just look my way. Just look my way. Is there something more that I don't know that you won't say till we both grow cold? Just say, please look my way. This unspoken contract, a deed forged for mutual gain. If that's all this was when you're not here, what is this rooted pain? I don't care that you're of lower station. We're primed to sate my dark temptations. Why can't you understand? Let me explain. And I'm terrified as I try to make these feelings true. What's left of me and my broken heart if I cannot have you? Unless it's me, and no matter what in this world I could give, it's not enough to get through the walls you've conjured up to live. Is this what you scorned by a realm that cannot comprehend? But you, so I'll grant you this mercy, this fight on our souls needs to end. I will try to make amends for making you meet to an end. So look my way, please look my way. If there's something more that I don't know, I'll save us both before we grow old. If you'll stay and just say, look my way.